Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and in this video I'm going to show you how to finish a hat with a marabou string. First of all, on both ends you can see a little bit of rope. I always cut this off like this. To glue this on the hat, we're going to use a glue gun. Inside of this marabou string there's a rope. You can feel this, and when we apply the glue we're going to try to push this rope on the glue. That way the marabou string will be glued firmly to the hat. So I'm looking for the rope and pushing it onto the glue. It's best to do this in small pieces and work your way around the hat. So as you've seen, it's very easy to finish your hat with a marabou string. You can also use other finishing materials. We have videos on that, so be sure to check those. Thanks for watching.